What's going on, vendors? In today's video, we are doing a restock and a collection at my hotel location. I've got 3 machines here. They were a 2-week collection. Stick all the way to the end to see how much we did for 2 weeks between 3 machines. It was an awesome collection. We're going to go ahead and get right started on the restock here. This is my USI combo machine. It definitely needs some chips this week. We're going to go ahead and get those restocked. How's your guys' business doing? Hopefully it's doing well. Between claw machines, snack machines, full line soda machines, your choice. How are they doing? Leave a comment down below. It is Friday. It is getting towards the end of the month, so hopefully there's a big collection at the end of the month. We'll see. As you all know, I don't sugarcoat things. I give it to you straight as they are. If I have a bad collection, you'll still see it. Always got to get the right bags picked out. Yes, this is a small machine, but it has more than paid for itself in the time I've owned it. Gonna get down here, get some popcorn out of the bottom of the machine. Popcorn's a hot item here. I sell them for $1 a bag. Get the honey buns topped off. Updating my Vensoft application. If you would like to learn more about that, check out my video on Vensoft. There is a free 14-day trial with that. Just use my link down below. I started using it about 6 years ago. Haven't stopped since. It works great for me. Works great for my full line machines. Helps me at tax time get everything squared away. Gonna get some more Snickers in here. I had more toothbrushes on order. Now we're going to go ahead and get the rest of these loaded up. We're going to get some more Oreos in here. Oreos are always popular. I'll use up what I have left in this box. On this machine, I have a Cantaloupe ePort G11 card reader. Works great for me. I haven't had any issues with it. Time to get some drinks reloaded. I'll put a little light on the subject, but then I'm going to go ahead and get the Gatorade restocked. I do 2 columns of Gatorade on this machine, one in the back, one in the front. They still go through a ton of it. I don't pick a particular flavor in here. The front has 2 flavors, but it's always going to be Gatorade Frost. It's going to be one of 3 flavors. So that's all restocked. Now we're going to get some more soda in here. Mountain Dew, patented knee split there. That way everything is all good for everyone to have. Machine is set to a nice cold 40 degrees. Keeps the soda and the drinks extra cold just for the reason of making everyone happy. Saving the code off the box. Up for Coke. Now that the machine's all restocked, we are going to get onto that collection. Get that set up so you guys can see the money grab. If you guys are looking to add credit card readers, go ahead and check out Cantaloupe. They have been a great partner for me as well. Machine did $207 in 2 weeks. That's between coins, cash, and credit cards. Not bad doing there. Like I was saying, if you're looking for card readers, I use Cantaloupe. And if you're looking to save some money, Cantaloupe's got a promo code with me, 720 Vending. Use it at checkout. It will give you $30 off per card reader. Save you some serious money for their ePort Engage series, their touchscreen series, as well as if you're looking for your amusement machines, the G11 Pulse kits will work for those as well. No limits on those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. This machine did $62.50 for 2 weeks. This is a cash and change only machine, but I had a really nice stack. So look at that fan out there. Definitely can't complain. Next, we're going to go ahead and get on to the soda machine. Not sure what happened to the video footage of the longer portions of these, but at least I was able to get the collections on video. I went ahead and got the water restocked on this machine at this trip. Nice pile of silver there. Machine did $97.75 for the 2 week period, bringing our 3 machine total to $367.25. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. I do want to thank you all for watching to the end. Have a great day.